Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to adjust video speed in Capcut. And all you have to do is to launch Capcut, and I'm going to choose on any of the video that I hear. Let's say I decide to choose this one, the install. Then from here, once I tap on this, then I'm going to see the speed reaches just here. I'm going to tap on it. And let's say decide to choose the normal one. And as you can see, it has set itself on a default duration, which is 1.9 seconds. You can decide to add the speed, put it here at 1.0 seconds, or decide to decrease it. And you can decide to tap on this and either choose between a faster process or a better quality. But for mine, I have chosen it on a better quality. And once I tap on OK, our speed has been adjusted. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.